right, I got a real project here. I got this, whatever this is, in the bottom of this toilet. I've tried everything. I've used my rust remover. I've used my calcium deposit removers. Put the brush in there. I still got these brown spots. I don't know what it is. I just can't get it out. I'm going to give this a try. I'm serious. This is a real deal here. The pink stuff. #1 household cleaner in 2025. Rated like #1 product, right? The pink stuff. So it's a miracle cleaning paste. I'm going to do something I don't normally do. Because this hole's so small down in there, I've got these cotton gloves here. And yep, I'm going to do this. So we're going to put these gloves on. I'm going to put this pink stuff. I'm going to try to get my hands down in there and clean this. I'm going to have to get my hands wet because I feel like yeah, that's cold. Pink stuff. There it is. Let's get some of that paste. A little bit of water on there. Nice toilet water. Ugh. All right. Let's see what we can do. I feel like I need more. More pink. More pink stuff. There we go. All right. Like I said, I can't get this shit out of here. No wonder. It's a really hard angle. Might as well work all the way around while I'm at it. Get all this other crud that's in this toilet. A lot of calcium, it looks like. I can feel it. It's rough. I think we need more pink stuff. Pink stuff. I don't know. That's some rough stuff. Maybe if I had a little bit of a sponge. All right, well, let's see what we got. Hey, that's nasty. Well, it's better. All right, guys, well, it's taken 4 applications. There's something really, really rough in this toilet, but it's starting to smooth out. Let's take another flush. Look at that. There's just a little bit left. So far, it's been the only cleaner that has even penetrated that stuff. I mean, I really, really had to scrub and really let it work on there. But the pink stuff, if it can do this kind of stuff, it can do a lot of other things. I'm sure of it. So give it a try. Oh, yeah.